This is just the reason why Pi Network will hit over $5,000 now. According to one of the Pi users, they believe that this program, these developers are planning a lot of things for Pi Network and trying to engage so many businesses, trying to engage so many companies, trying to engage so many individuals into Pi Network is one of the biggest things that will happen to Pi Network. And recently they're planning on getting local businesses to start accepting Pi Network as means of payment. Now, don't be surprised to see Pi Network creating their own plugin for users of WordPress website designing for e-commerce businesses and different businesses offering services and goods and services to use API of Pi Network, especially for WordPress or those designing websites. You see Pi Network integration. That means you can buy, you can pay with your Pi. So they are really planning so many things. And this is one of the crypto coins that I've seen that they have great users. They have millions of users. Two, already even before the coin is being launched, we can see this coin having great followers on social media. And even before the coin is fully launched, you can see businesses ready for them. So imagine what happens when this finally happens. Remember BTC when Bitcoin started, and I'm telling you the same reason. This coin can be the next BTC. This coin is going to surprise the world. Pi Network can hit a lot of price that we will never believe that Pi Network can ever reach this price. And don't be surprised and don't be envy when you see a lot of people making millions from Pi Network. You were like, wow, why didn't I look into Pi? Why didn't I buy Pi Network? Why didn't I engage in Pi Network? Because it will be too late before then. But please remember, I'm saying if you want to buy when you're fully out, remember to buy what you can afford to lose. And you want to mine Pi Network, of course, it's very good for you to do that, and it's very good for you to follow Pi Network news update, because anything can happen any moment. And I'm happy. One of the biggest news I've seen is for them trying to engage everyone, businesses and service providers, and I'm happy to see Pi Network doing that. In the nearest years, we are going to see that Pi Network, don't be surprised, is going to be one of the biggest cryptocurrency in history after BTC, the great BTC, the king of cryptocurrency. But for me, developers, wow, I will say yes, you guys are really trying your best. But right now, people are tired. People need you to list. People need the miner to be launched. So whatever you are doing, do that fast before people change their mind. And for Pi Network, I believe that one day we are going to be happy with Pi Network coin. And Bitcoin is already increasing in price today. At the time of recording this, BTC is trading above $30,000, and Pi Network price is also increasing in price today. So let's keep hope for the best, and I believe that very soon everybody will be smiling, and I believe the world will definitely accept Pi Network coin. E-commerce businesses will definitely accept Pi Network coin. You can see already here people are really accepting this coin. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.